video. Today, we'll explore the world of blockchain, Ethereum, Solidity, and the exciting future of Web3. If you're a beginner or looking to become a smart contract developer, this video will give you a solid understanding of these cutting-edge technologies. Now, let's compare Web 1, Web 2, and Web 3. Web 1 was the early internet, static, read-only websites. Web 2 introduced interactivity and social media, but it came with centralized control from companies like Google and Facebook. Web 3, however, focuses on decentralization, empowering users to own and control their own data, creating a more open and transparent internet. Introduction to blockchain. Let's start with blockchain. It's a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. Blockchain ensures transparency because everyone has access to the same data. And authority. Imagine it like a public spreadsheet that everyone can view but no one can secretly change. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a decentralized platform that goes beyond just cryptocurrency. It enables smart contracts, which are self-executing programs that run on the blockchain. Unlike Bitcoin, which is mainly for peer-to-peer transactions, Ethereum lets developers build decentralized applications or dApps that can handle things like finance, gaming, and governance. Introduction to Solidity. Solidity is the primary language for writing smart contracts on Ethereum. It's a high-level, statically typed programming language that's easy to learn for everyone familiar with JavaScript or Python. Once written, Solidity code is compiled into bytecode and executed on Ethereum virtual machine, making it compatible across the blockchain network. What is ERC standards? The main consistency Ethereum uses ERC standards for smart contracts. ERC-20 defines how fungible tokens like USDT or Ethereum should behave. ERC-721 is used for creating unique non-fungible tokens, NFT, like those you see on the marketplaces like OpenSea. What can you build with Solidity? Solidity enables you to build a wide variety of decentralized applications. DeFi apps that allow for lending, borrowing, and trading assets without intermediaries. NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, where digital art is bought and sold. Gaming apps that integrate real-world ownership of in-game assets. Token-based crowdfunding for projects through initial coin offerings ICOs or initial DEX offering IDOs. The possibilities with Solidity are endless. Transparency in smart contract. One of the most powerful features of blockchain and smart contract is transparency. All smart contract code is public and can be verified by anyone on the blockchain. This ensures trust because there's no hidden logic. Everything is open source and can audit, unlike Web2, where we trust centralized services and companies. Web3 ensures accountability by allowing anyone to verify the code and transactions. Solidity and career paths for Solidity developers. Solidity developers are in high demand. The salary for a Solidity developer can range from $100,000 to $200,000 or more depending on experience, with top developers earning even higher. The industry is growing with plenty of remote work and positions within decentralized organizations like DAOs. It's one of the most rewarding tech careers right now. This is the chart of salary for blockchain in average, minimum, maximum you can see in this image. Thanks for watching for this video. I'd like to you learn Solidity programming language to get a high demand project and do it to get money more. Thanks.